Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to fix the Owlet DreamSock not connecting to Wi-Fi. Follow this troubleshooting guide when the DreamSock base station won't connect to your home Wi-Fi network and start tracking your little one's sleep trends. For setup, both your Owlet device and phone or tablet need to be connected 24 GHz. Please perform setup within 10 feet of your router. After setup, you may move your phone or tablet back to 5 GHz. Diagnose and troubleshoot Wi-Fi with support partner route. Before troubleshooting, ensure the following conditions are met. The correct Wi-Fi password is being used and you are connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Verify your internet is working by browsing a website using another device. Solution: reboot the router and modem or contact your internet provider. You can also check our router compatibility list or use the Wi-Fi DreamSock self-help tool to diagnose home Wi-Fi issues. The base station is in close range of your router. The base can be relocated after setting up depending on signal strength. Solution: move the base station closer to your router or use a router with better signal strength. You can check the router compatibility list or use our Wi-Fi DreamSock self-help tool to diagnose home Wi-Fi issues. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.